Hi, my name is Tom. I'd like to take a minute of your time to tell you about the classes that Annie offers the dog walkers at the Willamette Humane Society. One of her main focuses now is teaching us how to use the Halti. This is a Halti here, and I like the Haltis because it uses the nose to control the dog instead of using the strong muscles of its neck and shoulders. It goes on real easy. Slide it over the nose, latch it behind the head, has a safety clasp that goes to the collar, and then it has a ring to put the leash on. I like it for Daphne because she tends to wander and go all over the place, check everything out, and by using the Halti, it helps me control her to go on a nice smooth walk. Alrighty, let's go guys.